Hi, my name is Sean Walker, and I'm building a professional portfolio on Wix website platform. And so far, I've established my account. I chose my background as a very nice mountain scene that I took the picture of. Now, what I'd like to do is show you how to add pages. First, you would need to come up here to Menus and Pages and click on that. Now, as you can see, this website only has one page, Home. But to come down here, you can actually add a page simply by clicking the Add Page button. It says New Page, so we probably want to change the name of that page. I'm going to change that to About. So this page will be about me. Then you click Done. And you continue doing this for all of the pages that you would like to add. See, standards, literature, and I definitely want a page for my best work. I'd also like to add an additional page to make it easy for people to contact me. So right now, all of these pages are actually additional pages. They're not my home page. What I would like to do is when people land on my website, I would like them to land on the About page so that they can find out a little bit more about me immediately. Therefore, I'm going to delete Home by clicking on these words over to the side and delete it. Then it's going to ask me, am I sure that I want to delete this? Yes, I am sure. Now, as you can see, the Home disappears, the About moves up, and the icon next to the word About changes to a house. That means About is now my new home page. The next thing I need to do is to add some buttons on my home page so that people can navigate the different pages. So I can do Add, and I can choose Button. I really like this button. Well, this button I can add up here. And then if I click on the link, I can choose what it links to, a web address, a phone number, a document, or a page. So as you can see, this gives me the options for which page it links to. Since my About This is my home page, I want it to link to something else. This one will link to Standards. Then I will click Done. I can also change the text. However, we need to go over and get more buttons. And I'm going to go ahead and add as many as I need. I'm still going to need one that says About, simply so that people can get home, return to my home page once they have visited the other ones. So I'm going to click that this page is About and Done. And now I need to change the text. So I'm building my buttons over here on this side that will help any visitors navigate the page. And I will continue doing the same thing for the other pages. So that's how you build the buttons and you link pages together. I hope this helps, and I hope you have fun building your website.